I swear to God, today is not great. Using a blending brush, apply combust from crease to brown. With a shadow brush, highlight the entire brow bone with 13, blending it well. Using eye pencil, line the entire lash line. It should be slightly thicker at the outer corner. Use the smoky smudger brush to smudge it out. How do people do this? Okay, smudge it out. Really? 5. With a blending brush, apply smolder on the lid and crease, blending it up and out. Then use smoky smudge brush to apply it over eyeliner on the lower lash line. Lower lash line.
Happy Christmas to you.
I swear to God, if I didn't have places to go. I'm going to use this brush, the all over brush, to apply it on my lid. That is smolder. Very messy. Alright, smudge brush, same eyeshadow. Use tapered crease brush, blend password into the edge of smolder and into the crease. With smoky smudger brush, wrap password around the eye and soften the edges of the lower lash line. Password. Use the smoky smudger brush to highlight the inner corner with high. That's it. Okay, I want to soften the edges, so before I go into that, highlighting the corner, I'm going to use a fluffy brush. I'm going to slightly soften the top crease. Get a clean smudgy brush. Hi. Then it's just lashes. So I'm gonna do concealer. I'm gonna fix what I messed up. Well, took us a while, but we have arrived. I'm gonna add some lipstick and then contemplate what the heck am I doing to technology that is just hating me so much. Thanks for coming to day 14. I'll see you tomorrow.